Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the GOLO release is, what it offers, and how to use it. So, let's get started. According to the official GOLO websites, GOLO release is a dietary supplement designed to be used alongside the GOLO for Life weight loss program. The company says that the supplement is formulated with 7 plant extracts and 3 minerals to support healthy metabolism, help manage cravings, and support healthy blood sugar and insulin function as a part of its overall program. According to the websites, of course, its release is caffeine free, stimulant free, gluten free, and the non GMO. The company also states that it may help support weight loss, energy, metabolic health, and appetite control when combined with the GOLO meal plan and lifestyle recommendations. The website notes that the supplement is manufactured in the United States in an FDA registered facility that follows good manufacturing practices. But before purchasing, it's important to understand that GOLO promotes release as part of its complete weight loss program rather than as a standalone solution. So take time to review the program, read the product's information carefully, and remember that individual results can vary. Doing your own research before spending money is always a good idea. So according to the official direction, you will have basically to take one release capsule with each meal. The company recommends not taking more than 2 capsules per meal or 6 capsules per day on a regular basis. A release is intended to be used together with balanced meal and the GOLO lifestyle program for best results. So if you decide basically to purchase GOLO release, you'll have to visit the official GOLO websites and go as an example to the shop page. In here at the bottom, you will find that's as you can see, so you can click on add to carts. You'll find the GOLO release. As an example, this can be added as well. So you have here the weight loss and metabolic repair. Many things or many products that you'll find on their shop page. And once you add the 2 carts, as you can see right here, depending on the package that you want, you'll be able to go to checkout as an example, where you can enter your payment information and shipment information or shipping information to be shipped. But before completing your order, make sure to review the pricing, shipping information, refund policy, and any promotional offers. So you know exactly what you're purchasing. And according to the website, Google offers a 60 days money back guarantee, as you can see, as it says. So if you have any questions before purchasing this example, you can review the frequently asked question, and you can find that if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find frequently asked questions page, as you can see here. So any questions, or you can go to the contact us page to contact them directly if you have a question that is not. And as with any dietary supplements or weight loss program, consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have a medical condition, you are pregnant, or taking a prescription medication. So also make sure to do your own research and proceed only if you're comfortable with the program and its requirements. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.